Aarvish Global Ltd is transforming global water access. We design advanced, highly customized atmospheric water generators that produce premium drinking water directly from air, delivering clean, safe water to communities anywhere in the world. Air enters the system through air intake and filtration. High-efficiency fans draw ambient air through the intake duct. The airflow passes through multi-layer filters that remove dust, aerosols, and airborne contaminants, producing clean, conditioned air for moisture extraction inside the system. The filtered air continues into the condensation heat exchanger engineered by Aarvish Global Ltd. Here, the air is cooled through controlled heat exchange. As temperature drops below the dew point, water vapor condenses into liquid form and separates from the airstream. The condensed water flows into the pre-purification tank within the processing core. This chamber provides initial settling and hydraulic buffering. The collected water is stabilized before entering final purification stages. From the pre-purification tank, water enters the UV sterilization and filtration module. Internal filters remove fine particulates. Ultraviolet chambers inactivate bacteria, viruses, and microorganisms, ensuring high microbiological safety and consistent drinking water quality. The purified water is transferred into the freshwater reservoir. This sealed food-grade tank preserves purity, prevents contamination, and maintains premium drinking water ready for dispensing. An ultrasonic sensor mounted on top of the freshwater reservoir monitors water level in real time, enabling automatic level control and remote alerts for replenishment or maintenance. From the freshwater reservoir, treated water flows to the Aarvish Global Ltd dispense outlet. Premium drinking water is delivered directly into the container, fully independent of any external water source.